Hello students, I am Vipin. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter called Paraline, which is mentioned in the 7th standard SCRT textbook. We can start with the definition of paraline. If the distance between two lines is always same, then the lines are called paraline. These lines will not intersect each other. We can just check with the figure here. You can see the line AB and line CD. And the distance here you can see similar 6 centimeter. But here in figure 2 you can see the line EF and line GH. The distance are varying. If I am drawing this line further, these two lines are going to intersect. So we can say that these two lines are called paraline because the distance between these two lines are always equal. But here in figure 2, the distance between two lines are varying. So these two lines are not parallel. We come across parallines in our daily life. We can see paraline in railway tracks, zebra crossing, stairs, walls, etc. Some of the geometrical figures are also constructed with parallines, that are rectangles, squares, parallelogram, etc. Let us consider a rectangle here. You can see the rectangle A, B, C, D. All of you know that all the four angles of a rectangle is 90 degrees. That means all the lines of a rectangle is perpendicular to each other. One more feature you can see here, line AB, line CD are parallel. That means opposite lines are parallel. Here also the line BC and the line AD are parallel. Here also the opposite lines are parallel. From this rectangle, we can come to a point that if you are drawing two perpendicular lines from a line, then these two perpendicular lines are parallel. Now we can check with the possibility of drawing slanted parallel lines. You can see one slanted line here, it is AB, another slanted line here, it is CD. Angle on the same side here it is equal. You can see the angle on right side it is 70 degree, here it is 70 degree. And in the left side you can see 110 degree, here also it is 110 degree. That means the distance between these two lines are equal. That is, these lines will not intersect anywhere. That means these two lines are parallel. We can check the figure 2 here. You can see angle on the both sides. Here in the line EF, you can see right side it is 70 degree. But in the line here in GH, the right side it is 130 degree. That means angle on the both sides are not equal. That is, these two lines are going to intersect if I am drawing further these two lines. That means the distance between these two lines are different. That means these two lines are not parallel. We can conclude from this figure that if you are going to draw a slanted parallel line, we make sure that angle on the same side are equal. We are using this slanted parallel line to draw a parallelogram, which is a quadrilateral in geometry, which we are going to study next. This is a parallelogram we just mentioned. Now we can just look at the features. Here, first one, opposite sides are equal. You can see here the line AB equal to 6 cm and CD equal to 6 cm. That is, opposite sides are equal. Here BC equal to 8 cm and AD equal to 8 cm. That means here also the opposite sides are equal. Now opposite sides are parallel. We already studied that if angle on the same side are equal, then the lines are parallel. Here you can see here angle is 60 degree. Here also the same side it is 60 degree. That is, the line AD and line BC are parallel. In the same way we can see here AB and line CD are parallel. Now we can look at another feature, that is opposite angles are equal. You can see here it is 60 degree, just opposite here also it is 60 degree. Here it is 120, just opposite here also it is 120. That means opposite angles are equal. Now the last one, sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. Adjacent or nearby angle, you can see 60 plus 120, that is 180 degree. Sum is 180. Here also this and this angle are adjacent. Now we can add 60 plus 120, that is 180 degree. Here also you can add, you will get 180 degree. Here also if you are adding, you will get 180 degree. That means sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. All the students should understand the features of parallelogram. Then only you can draw the parallelogram in the next video. Thank you.